Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a very cool recipe on a Pit Boss Pro Series 1600. We're gonna make some Scotch eggs, okay? This is really easy to do. You just have to get a hard boiling eggs, then you cool them, then you put some meat around the eggs, and we're gonna smoke them like a meatball, okay? In the Pro Series at 110 Celsius degrees, okay? So 225 Fahrenheit, all right? The only one challenge in that recipe is to get running yolks, okay? So for that, we need to boil them exactly during 6 minutes. Exactly 6 minutes, not 5:30, not 6:30, 6 minutes, okay? Then we will stop the cooking of the eggs in iced water, okay? And then we will rub the eggs with the meat. We will rub them and smoke them in the Pro Series, okay? So let's go. First thing, getting boiling water. Up. All right, now the water is boiling, so I will put 2 eggs at a time with a spoon, softly, okay? So I have 1 kilogram of ground meat, so I will put 8 eggs in the boiling water. All right, 6 minutes exactly. All right, 6 minutes exactly. So I remove the eggs from boiling water and I transfer them in ice water. Okay, now we let them cool for maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, okay? So now the eggs are really cool. What I will do now is use the back of a tablespoon, okay, to break the shell, okay, and be really delicate, okay, because if you do it like usual with an hard boiled egg, you will maybe split the egg, okay, because of the yolk which is running. All right, so let's go. You really need to be gentle with the egg, okay? Because to be honest, gentle is not my second first name, and I already broke 2 eggs. This is not so easy to do. All right, now we're gonna wrap the egg with some ground meat. Here I use a beef and pork mix, but you can use a veal and beef or veal and pork or just a sausage, breakfast sausage meat. It's up to you. 100% beef as well, it would be perfect. So we're gonna make a patty, okay, in your hand. All right. And now we will wrap the egg gently with the meat. Okay, really gentle. So we will try to cover any part of the egg so it will not melt during the cooking. Okay, and now we will wrap the meat with here I will use the Prohibition coffee barbecue rub. Okay, but you can use the one that you like, of course. All right, now I will just rub the meat and smoke the eggs at 225 Fahrenheit degrees, 110 Celsius degrees for maybe 1 hour and a half, something like that, in the Pro Series 1600. I already preheated the grill to 110, so we're almost ready to go. So now I'm rubbing the meat with my favorite rub. And I will smoke the Scotch eggs for maybe 1 hour, 1 hour and a half in the Pit Boss Pro Series 1600. Okay, I use the competition blend pellets. And after maybe 1 hour and a half, I will glaze the eggs with some barbecue sauce. And it should be fantastic. So, to be honest, I will only cook 4 of them today because I have some friends coming tomorrow and I want them to try. So, 4 today and 3 tomorrow. But I already prepare and rub the meat, so I will just put them back in the fridge for 24 hours. It may even be better than today. We will see that tomorrow. I close the searing plate, of course, because I just want to smoke the meat. All right, now the eggs are cooked, so we just need to glaze them with some barbecue sauce, and let's set the barbecue sauce for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. All right, now let's see if we did it right. Wow, look at that. It's just perfect. So thank you for watching this video of the Scotch eggs on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1600. Please like, subscribe to my channel for any other video. Thank you, bye bye.